Namaste. My name is Riyyog and I am a certified yoga teacher and a life coach. Today's video is a special video for me because I have personally used these exercises and these meditation techniques for my chartered accountancy exam preparation. Yes, it helps you, exercise your eyes, it helps you calm your mind, and it's just very, very refreshing. And which is why this kids yoga series is there, because I'm sure a lot of kids are constantly on social media, constantly on their devices, or reading or studying, and there is no relief happening to the eyes. So today's video is specially dedicated to them. And today, to show this video to you, I have three amazing guests with me today. Let me introduce you to them one by one.
Hey guys, I'm Avinash Brijesh Nambir and today I'm very excited to learn about today's methods.
Hello everybody, I'm Ashwin Kaurana and I've never tried this. So if you have never tried this, try this with us.
Hello, my name is Siddhisha and I'm very excited to do this meditation with my friend.
Namaste! Welcome to the Riyyog channel. Today is another special episode with the kids. Today we are going to discuss Tratak meditation. How is it going to help you?
Tratak meditation helps you to calm your mind.
It helps you to reduce headache and migraine.
It helps you to remove your glasses.
Yes, absolutely. If you are someone who is having constant headaches while studying or just at work, if you have a lot of thoughts in your mind, or just you want to remove your glasses, today's episode is definitely going to help. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes. All we need is a candle and a matchstick box.
The candle should be at your eye level.
And we also need a dark room. The darker the room, the better it is.
We're all set now. We have a candle, we have a dark room. We're going to begin our Tratak meditation.
Before we start, if you have glasses, kindly remove them.
Let's begin. I'm going to light it up and we're all going to look at the flame. All you have to do is keep your back straight and look at the candle without blinking. Okay? So we're going to look at the candle as long as possible without blinking. If you do feel the need that your eyes are getting watery, you may close your eyes and open them again. It's very normal for your eyes to get watery, for you to feel like itching, but just maintain your calm posture and keep staring at the flame. Whenever the need may be, you can close your eyes, open your eyes. It's possible for you to keep slouching down, but make sure that your back remains straight. Close your eyes for as long as you want, but make sure you don't rub or itch your eye. There is a portion of the flame, the bottom of the flame, which is dark in color. Try to keep staring at that now. Again, if your eyes get watery, close and redo this exercise. Bring your attention to the entire flame now, not only the bottom part, but the entire flame. Let's remind ourselves to keep our back more straight and observe how calm your breath has become. You can repeat this exercise for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you're done, close your eyes gently and keep it closed. Take your palms, place it on your eyes. You will now be able to see a yellow or orange dot. This dot will keep moving inside. Make sure you're following this dot and your focus is on the dot. Make sure you're not pressing your eyes, but just gently placing your palms on top. After a few minutes, keep your hands down but keep your eyes closed. Keep your back still straight if it's not straight. Take your right thumb and tap between your eyebrows for 5 times. So tap, release. Tap, release. Tap, release. Tap, release. And last time, tap, release. You can now gently open your eyes. So we have now finished our meditation. Let's hear from them what they think about it. Avinash, what did you think? How was the meditation?
My eyes had a tingling sensation, but overall it was very relaxing.
Ishwani, how did you find it?
My eyes were very watery, so I felt like I was literally crying.
Crying, okay. And what about you, Siddhi?
The exercise was very peaceful.
Okay, nice. So now, how many times can you do this Tratak exercise? When should you do it? Well, I have personally used this exercise before my studies. If you are somebody who is very distracted with thoughts, before study is the best time to do it. Now, if you do not have any candle, you can hold a pencil, you can draw a dot and concentrate. But the best results are still with the candle. Now, even before going to sleep, if you are somebody who gets a lot of disturbed sleep, I really suggest that you should do this before going to sleep. This also helps improve migraine, it helps to calm your mind, and of course helps you remove glasses. A regular practice of it though. This is honestly the most simplest and the easiest technique that you can do for all of the things that I've mentioned above. We have more episodes coming up, and if you haven't already checked out our Yoga for Students playlist, I highly recommend you do that. I would love to hear any comments that you may have regarding this video. I personally answer them, so ensure to comment below and tell us how you like it.
If you like this channel,
like,